Welcome back, fellow shop rats. Today, Becky and I are taking a road trip about 2.5 hours down to the southwest part of the state of Michigan to pick up some parts for one of our project cars. We're taking Emery today because gas mileage, so let's go on a road trip together. Don't go away.
This is My Cars Shop.
Pumping a little gas here, and we're about 20 miles down the road from home right now, so get her topped off, and then it's southbound. And the city is a little bit more south than it is west. I thought we were heading to the southwest corner, but we're heading just south of Detroit, so we'll scoot around Detroit and stay out of that mess. But I'm going to spend a small fortune here, get this thing topped off, and get on the road. Say hi, Becky.
Hi.
She's deep in thought. Well, we successfully navigated our way down almost to the Ohio border and got our parts loaded in the car. We're heading back home now, and we're going to make a few stops along the way, so we'll share a little of that with you as we go. And of course, we're going to share the parts with you too, so don't worry. Well, our first stop is going to be, what is it? Calder's Country Store, but it's a little more than a country store. It's actually a working farm, and we're going to stop and check it out. So let's go do that.
What?
Nothing, just taking some video of you.
Oh. You are something. Well played, Mama.
Mama's protecting her little one, plus getting a drink. You can take the girl away from the sheep farm, but you can't take the sheep away from the girl. Well, I hope you enjoyed our little tour of Calder Farms. If you happen to stop by, tell them that Mike from My Car Shop sent you, and Becky too. They won't know who the hell you're talking about, but it's good to get the word out. Well, we made it back home. We're tired, we're sore, we're about 8 hours from when we left this morning. What's that? Say again?
We're fine.
We're fine. So yeah, here's what we've got. Let's spin you around. Besides groceries and some landscaping cloth for other projects. So we stopped at Home Depot and Meijer and other places that I didn't share, but we have a set of small bolt pattern rally wheels for scoops. So we sold the motor, not the one that's in it. We sold the original Slant 6 that had 49,000 miles on it, and we just decided to turn right around and reinvest the money right back in the car. And so we're pretty excited. We'll be doing some work on these, getting them the beauty rings polished up a little bit. We'll get these center caps cleaned up and back to the way they're supposed to be. Met a really great guy, and he's got other stuff that maybe we can use in the future. So we exchanged phone numbers, and I'm excited. It's a good connection. We had a lot of fun. We had, just talking and sharing stories and all that stuff. And it was almost down to the Ohio border, but it was a good trip today. And so thanks for joining. We really appreciate you going for the ride along. Something a little bit different, but it's been a while since we've done an MKS on the road episode. So Becky's anxious to get after some yard work and things. And I'm going to go make some, what am I making tonight? Some kind of a peanut butter sauce stir fry. I'm not sure exactly what I'm going to make yet, but that's what's on dinner. That's what's on the menu for tonight. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, rock!